The Hudson's Bay Company will begin liquidation sales today at its final 6 stores, including the flagship store on Toronto's Yonge Street. And that's not all HBC wants to put up for sale as it winds down its operations. The company has hundreds of historic artifacts and pieces of art, and it wants to auction them off. But as Josh Crabb reports, some fear those items could fall into the wrong hands.
I'm going to bring you inside the Hudson's Bay Company Archives vault.
Kathleen Epp at the Archives of Manitoba opens the door to a room filled with thousands of historic artifacts, maps, HBC ledgers, and the company's very first minute book from 1671.
We've got such a treasure trove here of information.
The artifacts detail the history of the faltering 355-year-old fur trading company turned retailer, a company whose history is tied to exploration and colonization of the country. Assembly of Manitoba Chiefs Grand Chief Kyra Wilson says pieces of art and artifacts that remain in HBC
off to the computer so you could install it. Or review it rather, sorry. So this is the DashCam box, and the actual stuff is inside. So that's what we're going today.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good morning.
Ay, nako.
Natingin sa kwento.
Traffic jam.
Traffic jam.